कर रहे हो यार, क्या कर रहे हो?
Good evening, friends from the media. I take this opportunity to welcome all of you to today's press briefing. I welcome you. Is it working? Not working. I welcome all of you to today's press meet with all of you, and most importantly, on behalf of the National President of the Nationalist Congress Party, respected Shri Sharad Pawar ji, I would like to welcome on his behalf and on behalf of the party a very distinguished leader of our country coming from the state of Kerala. His name is, of course, well known to all of you, Honorable Shri P.C. Chako, a very eminent political leader, as I said, not only of Kerala but of the country, well known, well respected, well regarded. He started his career as the Youth Congress President in Kerala. From there on, he went on to become a legislator in the state and the Industries Minister of Kerala. After that, he was elected to Lok Sabha 4 times, and besides that, he has been associated with many organizations. He has connections with many institutions in Kerala, where especially he is running very successfully a cooperative bank, which is rendering very good service to the people there. I would like to therefore state that, I can read many more things about Shri P.C. Chako, but a very distinguished leader, somebody who has been well regarded in Kerala and in India. As all of you know, in Delhi especially, he was looking after affairs of the Congress party in Delhi also for many years. So such a distinguished colleague of ours has decided formally to join the Nationalist Congress Party as of today, and therefore on behalf of Sharad Pawar ji and the entire NCP fraternity, the family, we warmly welcome Shri P.C. Chako, and I would request our Honorable Leader Sharad Pawar ji to welcome Shri P.C. Chako by giving him the NCP sash and also a bouquet of flowers.
In fact, I'm very happy. I got a call from Kerala. The Chief Minister of Kerala. Chief Minister of Kerala. He contacted me and expressed his happiness. In fact, he said, if Mr. Chako is joining NCP, it's not question of only NCP, but entire left front colleagues in the Kerala are extremely happy because this basic decision is taken or going to announce today by Mr. Chako. He also requested that now the entire Kerala political parties are extremely busy with campaign for these assembly elections. And it's desire of the Chief Minister in this campaign, his suggestion, his request, Mr. Chako should spare some more time and his presence, his participation in election campaign will be really useful for the fund. And that's why, on behalf of the fund, entire fund, he conveyed to me to convey all of you their joy, their happiness, and welcome to Mr. Chako.
पहला दुपट्टा पहला दुपट्टा Thank you, sir. Yes, I will be. Thank you. All the best. Welcome. Thank you. Please give the mic to Chako ji. Chako, just this now, you press it, and then speak. No, above one, the red one, just press it.
Sharad Pawar ji, leaders of the NCP and dear friends from the press. I am extremely happy that I am welcomed to the NCP fold by the senior most politician of the country, Pawar Saab. I am happy to be in the NCP because I had a long association with the NCP, and so this is not a new experiment. Probably I can feel this as a homecoming. In fact, many difficult situations the Congress party has been passing through. I had the privilege and I had the opportunity to work with Pawar Saab the most difficult days for the Congress party. Subsequently, we were in two parties and I have been working for the Congress party. Most of you are very close to me, and when I was in charge of Delhi for the ICC. Today I feel, I'm not going into the reasons why I left Congress party and joined the NCP, but briefly I can tell you that today what is needed is the unity of the opposition, and the united opposition should emerge as an alternative against the BJP. I want to say that I do not see that initiative very much from the party in which I was a member. And I'm sure that Pawar Saab, his seniority, his leadership, and his contact will be most effective in forging a unity of the opposition in this country against the misdeeds of the BJP government. So I'm happy to be here in a party which is a functioning party, which is an active party, a party moving with direction. I am grateful to Pawar Saab, to Prabhuji and all the office bearers of the NCP that I am getting this opportunity to associate with them and work for the future. As Pawar Saab said, I come from the state of Kerala, and Kerala is a political fight between two united fronts. One is UDF led by Congress and one is LDF led by CPM. The NCP is a partner of the LDF, Left Democratic Front, for the last 40 years. I was also then part of the LDF at that time as part of the erstwhile Congresses at the NCP. So my association with CPM or the left parties are not a new thing. In fact, 40 years back, we only mooted the idea of a left and democratic unity in Kerala. We formed an alliance with the left parties in Kerala and we fought an election. We became successful, and I was also a minister in the cabinet of Mr. Nayanar, the senior leader of the Communist Party. Today, when I join NCP, I become part of the LDF, as suggested by Pawar Saab. I have given the direction that I should be traveling throughout the state of Kerala and work for the LDF. LDF, of course, I have it on the other camp, but the country needs today the left unity, and the left and the Democratic parties come together to forge a unity. In that angle, I think that, it is the duty of every, citizen of the country to support a coalition of that kind. So, as a member of the